I'm your science teacher. We are learning, we are doing revision of science. First of all, I'll guide you a little regarding today's paper. Now, understand one thing, the style of paper is already given to you. You have to write section wise. In section A, it is a mixed thing of blanks, true or false, match the following answer in one word, and all. Okay. So, in that, make sure that you just write answers directly, not questions. So in section A, you just write down numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and write down the answer, respective answer. That's it. Do not copy question, it is not required. Section B, make sure you have to give the number properly. You don't need to copy question over there also. And each section should be written on a new page. So make sure you write every section on a new page. So section A, B, C, D, this is how you write down each section differently. Okay. Now let's take an overview. Um, we already saw little about physics in motion. As what you see, the first thing you can see is distance, displacement definitions. The word problems are important. Uniform, non-uniform motions. From this chapter, make sure you learn, you know all the formulas and the word problems, the rate of change of velocity, right? Acceleration, graphical representation. Graphs, you just remember the graph, which type of graph it is, and what is the name for it. These three equations of motion is very important when you try to solve the word problems. The conversion from meter per kilometer per hour into meter per second, that also you remember, right? So make sure you learn word problems out of it. The word problem must be very important from this chapter. The ninth chapter, in which force and laws of motion. Make sure you know all the three laws: Newton first law, Newton second law, Newton's third law. Statement of that law. Also the SI unit for all: acceleration, velocity, momentum, and all. Then, as what I said, first law, second law, third law, definition, statement. Then inertia is very important, and based on inertia, these are the questions also very important, as you can see. Second law, inertia depend upon mass. You already know inertia depend upon mass. Second law, Newton's second law of motion statement, you remember. Then this word problem, even this justifications, that why do you pull your hand back, right? Like that. Newton's third law statement, you remember, right? And this word problems based on this conservation of momentum statement, you remember, right? And so word problem is also important from this chapter. Make sure you remember all those word problems from this chapter. Word problems from this chapter. Okay. So next thing, this is all about in this chapter. Then in natural resources, we saw regarding Earth, right? The breath of life, air, the role of atmosphere in climate control, the movement of air, right? Rain, air pollution. So air pollution is one of the important topic out of it. The water, a wonderful liquid. This is important. Had water pollution. Then this biogeochemical cycle. So basically you remember all these cycles: the water cycle, nitrogen cycle, and carbon cycle. So this carbon cycles are important. They normally usually they ask in the exam. So make sure this oxygen cycle, this 4 cycle you remember, and the ozone layer. So those cycles are very important. Make sure you read all those cycles and get the answer for the same. Right? Even in chemistry, I told you that try to remember. Okay, this properties: particles of matter are continuously motion. Particles of matter attract each other. This one, which of the following is a matter, right? Even the give reasons are important. Then solid liquid gas differentiation, so basically this tabulate the difference and all. Then change of state of matter. Okay, um, in this one make sure you don't need to draw this figure if any case if they ask you, right? Then how does an evaporation cause cooling, right? What type of clothes do you wear in summer? Those things you have to put a note on it. Don't worry, the paper is already from the textbook itself. Just put a little effort to understand what I said. Type of mixture, solution, right? So basically there is a difference which we already learn in this question, the differentiate between homogeneous, heterogeneous mixture, salt, solute and suspension. Okay, then the separation techniques you remember. In any case you don't need to draw any figure, so don't worry about those figures, right? This is important. What do you call classification of chemical change or a physical change, pure substance? Okay, so even this separation technique, so exercise you remember the separation technique. Then all those things from question number 7, 8, these are all can be asked as an 1 mark question and all. Okay, and wherever they ask you to find out the mole, model and all, at that case the atomic mass we already give you, so don't worry about the atomic mass of any carbon or oxygen or anything, it is already given in your paper. Okay, so do well. Make sure you write properly in a good handwriting. Best of luck for today's exam. Thank you.